What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today we're gonna be doing a Dollar Tree Christmas haul. You heard what I said, Christmas. No, it's not Halloween yet. No, it's not Thanksgiving yet. But the way Dollar Tree is putting out this Christmas stuff, I said, let me do a haul so these guys know what to look out for before it's all gone. So let's get started, okay? First item on the list are these cute stuffed gnomes. Come on, y'all. Y'all see how cute these are? And they got like a, what you call it? Y'all know what it's called. A beanbag butt. It's like a beanbag. How cute is he? In a sweater, hat. It's the details for me, guys. I think this is very well made. Get that off your butt. For $1. And not only did I get him, you know, I had to have a friend, but I got a gray one too. Cuteness, guys. The cuteness. The quality. $1. Come on. The feet. And it's like a felt. It's a felt. The body is a felt material. So the sweater on the top, felt on the bottom, and $1. Thank you. So the next item, since we with them gnomes, they had these gnome picks, and I got all variations that I saw of them, but I thought these were super cute too. You know, if you make gift baskets or you have plants in your house, I'm like, you just stick it in there, easy decor, 2 for $1. Y'all know I love it when I can find double for my trouble. But I think though, these are so freaking cute. And once again, that's like sweater in felt. Well, this is all, the gray is all felt, but the other ones is like sweater in felt. Cuteness, guys. And these are the sticks. I'm telling y'all, Dollar Tree this Christmas is doing a come up for me. So let's move to the cute little bags they have out. I think this is so cute. Now I don't know if this bag is new or not. Y'all OGs out there, y'all will know, but it's cute. So you already know how Dollar Tree, you know, do their bags. Glitter on the front, and then it's not glitter, but it's still a truck. I still like the detail, but you already know, glitter in the front. And then, come on, y'all, this cute little camper. Oh yeah, that's cute. I think that's super cute. And then of course the back, minus the glitter. Cuteness. All right, let's move to these cute mugs. Gnome. So I feel like this year is a gnome year. So now I've only seen these at one Dollar Tree, and they only had this one. I said, let me go ahead and get it, because I've never seen this much cuteness at a Dollar Tree, and it had a Santa one as well. How cute are these? These to me are super cute. They're little, but like, come on. It got that vintage feel to them. I think these are super cute, guys. Cuteness. So, if y'all find these, I call these unicorns, meaning like they hard to find. I have only seen these. I did see a snowman. I didn't care for the snowman. I'm not really a snowman girl. You know what? It wasn't no snowman. It was a polar bear. I'm not no polar bear girl. So I let him stay. But he was kind of cute, but not cute enough. Then I found these metal words. So it's peace. What is it? Peace, joy, and believe. So you know they had them for Halloween, Thanksgiving, and now for Christmas. So they're just the metal words that you could use on your wreaths or other decor. And I think 3 for $1. You already know, triple for your trouble. How about that? Alrighty. Now, y'all already know, like, Dollar Tree always come through with the tin cans so you can put cookies and all your other good stuff, or just a gift, like a different type of packaging. Now, I thought these was cute because it's the actual shape and not just a square, your routine cans, tin cans. Now, like I said, I don't know if it's new or not. It's new to me, but come on, guys. Get with the cuteness. Y'all gonna tell me that is not the freaking cutest? Look at it, guys. It is the shape of the camper. I love it. And so that one, then they have the gingerbread man. And both the camper and the gingerbread man, and the next one I'm about to show you, they come in a larger size. So you can get the small one or a bigger one. And I thought, hey, you can't beat that. But I got the small ones because I thought they was cuter. And then you got the Christmas tree one. Oh, it's so cute. The gingerbread don't have anything really on the sides. But look how cute that is. Cuteness, guys. And these are make excellent for you put little cookies, candies. Come on. Cuteness. A gift within a gift. It's like what I like to call it. Okay? And then of course they come out with this every year. But I couldn't resist this year is to get the little townhouses. You know what they have every year. So I collect churches, and I thought this was cute, the little candy one. So I don't think I'm gonna collect them all. I think this is enough for me. But I was thinking about the toy store one, but we'll see. I thought these was cute. Alrighty. Now let's get to some cuteness of the cuteness, y'all. I couldn't even believe it when I saw it. I was happy then all get out. Welcome to Black Christmas. Y'all gonna tell me this is not the cutest Santa that you have ever seen? Cuteness. Y'all, this is the first time I've ever seen African American Christmas or anything worth getting at a Dollar Tree. That to me looks good, like good quality. Not just thrown together. But he is freaking cute and he lights up. Let me pull this little thing out. And his little thingamajiggy. Okay, now you want to act the fool. See? Come through, light. He kind of not working well on the camera. Okay. Cuteness. I'm here for him. And now I can't turn it off. Y'all better go find him. Once again, I only saw him at one store so far. And yeah. You gotta get, you don't know about y'all, when I see something I like and I know other family members are like, I'm dialing or just buy them all. And just, hey, if y'all want it, y'all can get it. If not, I'll just surround my house with 100 Black Santas. It is what it is. So once I saw him, I was like, yo, what else out there? And they told me, they answered. These cute little Black Santas, y'all. And then they different shades. Come on, caramel and dark chocolate. I'm here for it. I like the different shades. Because we all different shades, y'all. How cute are they? And they got the little glitter on the hats. They're so cute. Now, these are tiny. But they'll be cute like in your little Christmas trees. Or just, once again, just decorating like a wreath or whatever. Cuteness. Cuteness. But wait for it, okay? Then I was like, okay, Dollar Tree. And Dollar Tree said, nah, boo-boo, I'm not finished with you yet. I'm not finished with you yet. Bam! Y'all. Can you get, this is heavy, y'all. This is quality, guys. And these are mine. Come on, Santa. Bring it to the people. Y'all, that is so freaking cute. And then you have him. He's saying, be quiet, little boys and girls, or you ain't gonna get nothing for Christmas. But guess what I got for Christmas? Black Santa, baby. What it do? Oh my God, I love it. I love them so much. It's like a clay, like, they're heavy, guys. Go find y'all Black Santas. Real talk. Okay. So then I just got your little, I think they're every year, you know, things. I got these cute little bowls, which I want to, of course, use on my DIYs. But I just thought they was cute. Of course, I can make my own bowls, but I said I just gonna get them. And then I got this Christmas tree. And I got about 100 of these. But sometimes you can't find them when you need them. So I said, let me just buy one. And I was like, I bought it. I thought they were cute. So then this goes with my little village people once again. This come out every year, guys. This ain't really nothing new. But I love Santa Mails. That is like my thing. I love it. And then I thought this was cute. Because I normally see the green camper, but not a red one. I found a red one. I said, guess what? You're mine. Thanks. But I think it's so freaking cute. Booyah. So that's going to go with my little village that I'm going to somewhat put together. This year I'm not going to go that big with my decorations. I'm going to keep it light, I think. I said it every year, but we'll see. Because I really want to get my house together, as I say every year too. Y'all, don't listen to me. Pretty much say the same thing, but guess what? These aren't new either. I'm trying to find the other color. I think these came out last year, but I didn't get them. But this year, I was like, you know what? These are cute, and I want to try them out. The solar Christmas lights. Cuteness, guys. I want to say that I think it's a blue one. I didn't see a blue one. So I don't know if it's a blue one or not. Hopefully I can find it. If it's not, I'm cool with just these colors. So I thought these were cute. And like I say, the solar. And then you just, you know, do whatever. But I thought they were cute. Alrighty. Now, other stuff. Oh, yeah. And I'm noticing they're doing this with every season, too. Making wood cutouts. And I think it's, like, quality. Especially good, the amount that you get for $1. So you got your cute little Christmas trees. They got this version and they have this version. So I'll turn it around. And so I'm just going to see what I could come up with. But 8 for $1. Real wood. Can't go wrong with that, y'all. Then they had like these little miniature cutouts. Gingerbread man. 14. Come on, y'all. That's cute. And then these cute little stars. And y'all know, I like to get stuff. Y'all could use this beyond Christmas. You know, especially like the stars. You can make these like, if you're a teacher, this could be a little representation of your kids. Come with it, guys. Crafts for days. So this don't have to just be for Christmas. But I thought this was cute. So this count, they're both 14 count. Come on. I thought that was cute. Also got this ornament. It's a church. And it lights up too. And I just thought this was real cute. I don't remember seeing this last year, but once again, it could be old. But guess who got it this year? Kenya got it this year. So I thought this was cute. And let's see. Let's see what the light do. It's not showing a good. Ooh, baby. Oh my God. That's wrong. Y'all can't see that. That's too. I like the fact that that was. Now, I don't mind different colors. But I like the fact that that was just white. Now, I don't know if it's going to change up. But, boo, this is quality. Come on through, Clear Church. I like that. So, I like the details on it. Booyah. Y'all, these are some good little ornaments. And you could just, I have my churches out all year round. Because why? God is all year round. What? Get with it. Okay? God is every day, people. Okay. I guess I had some more stuff. I don't know why I put that on. Oh, well. And then I got these cute little ornaments, wood ornaments, and it's a count of just 5. But y'all, I think this is cute. You could just color these, keep it natural, neutral, whatever. Go about your business. But I thought this was cute. Add these as gift tags. Come on, guys. So I think that is super cute. So that's it for me that I see in my little thing. I did have there's some other Christmas trees somewhere. It ain't nothing major, just some glittery Christmas trees. But that's it, guys. I hope y'all like this video. If y'all haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook your girl up with a thumbs up. Before I really let y'all go, y'all better get out there at Dollar Tree right now, because I'm telling you, that stuff is going by like that. And let me see what y'all find, because if y'all find some more black stuff, let your girl know, okay? See you guys next video. Deuces.